Starting with clean water makes sense, because everything else depends on it. The Survivor Filter Pro feels like one of those tools you keep close once conditions get uncertain. It pulls water through a hand pump, which works even when power is gone. The filter body feels solid in the hand, which matters when you are kneeling by a stream after a long walk. It is built to remove bacteria and grit, which makes sketchy water sources feel less risky. When you are moving camp or stuck without taps, being able to drink right away saves time and stress. From here, once water is handled, it feels natural to think about staying alive if things go wrong fast. After water, medical support becomes the quiet hero of any survival setup. This wound repair kit is made for moments when help is far away. The tools inside focus on closing cuts and managing bleeding, which can matter more than anything during an accident. The layout feels simple, which helps when hands shake from cold or pressure. In a fall or sharp tool mishap, having a way to deal with wounds keeps small problems from turning serious. That sense of control carries forward, because once health feels covered, communication and awareness start to matter next. Moving on from medical needs, staying informed can change decisions fast. The Kaito Voyager Pro brings radio, light, and charging into one unit. It runs on solar, hand crank, and batteries, which gives options when power lines are down. The radio picks up weather alerts, which helps plan movement or shelter time. The built-in light is handy during long nights when camp feels tense. It feels reassuring to know you can hear what is happening beyond your area. With awareness covered, personal tracking and time control become the next piece of the puzzle. From there, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 fits into survival in a quiet way. This watch is tough and built for rough use, which suits outdoor life well. Battery life stretches long enough to forget about charging every day. Tracking steps, heart rate, and sleep helps you understand your limits during stress. When moving long distances or pacing food and rest, that feedback matters. The screen stays readable in sunlight, which helps on the move. Once time and body awareness are in check, emergency signaling feels like the next smart layer. That brings us to emergency signaling, where the ACR Rescue Link 400 stands out. This beacon is made to send a clear distress signal with GPS location when things turn serious. It stays small and light, which makes it easy to keep in a pack at all times. When lost or injured, pressing one button can call for help without cell service. That kind of backup adds peace of mind. After thinking about rescue options, it feels right to focus on staying oriented before trouble starts. Navigation often gets overlooked, but this compass keeps things simple and reliable. The Turn-On Sport compass uses a clear base plate, which helps with map reading. It does not rely on batteries, which makes it dependable long-term. When trails fade or landmarks disappear, having a steady direction prevents wasted energy. It works well for planning routes and keeping bearings straight. Once direction is handled, lighting becomes the next comfort to lock down during long nights. Lighting changes how safe a place feels after dark. The Nest Out 3-in-1 flashlight combines light modes with charging options, which adds flexibility. It fits easily in a bag and feels balanced in the hand. The beam works for camp tasks and checking surroundings. Having dependable light helps with cooking, repairs, and night movement. After lighting is sorted, vehicle support becomes the next concern when travel is still possible. Vehicles often become lifelines, and the Wolfbox Jump Starter helps keep them running. This compact unit can revive a dead battery without another car. It also doubles as a power bank, which helps charge phones or radios. The clamps feel sturdy, which matters under pressure. When roads clear briefly or evacuation becomes possible, this tool buys options. Once movement is covered, cutting tools start to feel essential for daily tasks. A reliable blade changes camp life fast, and this Ned Foss knife feels ready for hard use. The blade shape works for cutting wood, food prep, and basic shelter work. The handle fills the hand well, which helps during long tasks. The included fire starter adds value, since fire supports warmth and cooking. Together, they form a small survival core. After tools are handled, food planning becomes the next big concern. Food security calms the mind during uncertain times. ReadyWise meals store well and last long, which helps with planning. The packs are easy to prepare using hot water, which saves fuel. Portion sizes feel practical for daily needs. Having food ready removes pressure to hunt or forage right away. With meals sorted, water backup systems deserve another look for longer stays. This hand pump filter adds redundancy, which is smart in survival. It handles larger volumes of water, which helps groups or base camps. Pumping feels smooth and steady, even after extended use. It pairs well with containers and cooking setups. Having a second filtration option adds confidence. From there, cordage becomes useful for building and repairs. Paracord earns its place through versatility. This rope handles shelter building, gear repair, and securing loads. It packs small and weighs little, which makes it easy to carry extra. Inner strands add options for fishing or stitching. It solves problems quietly. After setup tools, medical storage deserves attention. Keeping medical gear organized matters under stress. The One Tigris IFAC pouch opens wide and keeps items visible. The fabric feels tough and resists wear. Mounting options help attach it to packs or belts. When seconds matter, easy access helps. From there, carrying everything comfortably becomes the next step. A solid backpack ties the whole system together. The G4 Free Pack balances space with comfort. Straps adjust easily, which helps during long walks. Compartments keep gear sorted and reachable. Carrying weight properly saves energy over time. Finally, cutting wood cleanly rounds out camp needs. The Rexpedi folding saw finishes the setup nicely. The blade cuts efficiently through branches, which helps with firewood and shelter poles. It folds safely into the handle, which makes storage simple. Using a saw saves energy compared to chopping. With this tool, camp work feels more controlled. Together, these gear pieces form a survival setup built around real needs, not hype.